Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. I make all sorts of videos from product reviews to demos to how-tos to just me standing here talking to you about my experiences. If you think you'd be interested in that, then why not hit that subscribe button? Let's get into the video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the JJC RM-S1, which is an infrared remote control for your Sony camera. This seems to work with all the A series cameras, so it doesn't matter if you've got an A6300, A6500, A6400, A7S, A7R, A7, it should work with all of those cameras. And this is just going to be a quick unboxing and my overall impressions of this remote controller. And is it worth the price? The price is actually phenomenal. It's only $6.99 currently on Amazon. So I bought this controller because of how I currently film my YouTube videos. I have a camera there, which is a Sony, and I've got a camera up there, which is a Sony. And this controller seemed to fit the bill because I can't quite reach this camera over here. I wanted something where I could start and stop recording very easily, and it turns out that this controller actually will start both cameras at the same time, which is really good for if you're trying to sync two camera angles up together. So let's jump into it. Let's take a look at this remote. So I was really impressed that this would arrive in 24 hours, and at the price point of $6.99, I don't think you can complain about only being in a cardboard box for the packaging. It does come with an instruction manual. This is all in kind of badly translated English, but there's not really much you need to know. The one thing you do need to know that before this is going to work, you need to go onto your Sony camera, go all the way over to the right-hand side, and then go to the third option, go down to remote control and turn that on. Otherwise, it's not gonna work for you. So onto the controller itself, it's very small, it's very compact, it's very light, it feels very cheap, but after some testing, I think it works really well. Let's just take a look at that. So I'm not going to show you it starting and stopping the video feature on the camera, although it does work really well, but it will actually start and stop these two cameras, which I would find quite annoying when I'm trying to film a YouTube video. So we're going to start at the top, and we've got just an S, which stands for shutter button, and all you have to do is aim the remote at the camera and press the button once, and there you have it, it will take a picture. The second one down, the 2S, is a 2-second timer, so you just press that button once, and there you have a 2-second timer and your picture's taken. The starting and stopping of the video is pretty much instantaneous, and I have to say I'm really impressed with this remote for just being $6.99. I was looking for this solution and I thought I was going to be paying £30 or £40. So to have this solution in something that costs only $6.99 is really impressive. If you want to buy one of these remotes yourself, there is a link in the description to Amazon. Go and grab a bargain. I'm going to be picking up a couple more of these because I'm sure they're going to come in handy. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said at the beginning, if you enjoy my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of 2020. Let's see if that happens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next week.